Okay, next we're going to talk about cleaning fan on these. If you're running into issues with not moving enough air, first thing I do is pull one of these covers on one side or the other and get an air hose in there and blow out them veins that go across the blades on the fan. I've run into some of them just getting packed clear full of dirt. Usually you can get in there with air hose, just clean them out. And then the next thing, if you're running into a speed issue, this belt right here, it can look fine, but you need to check the width of the belt because they'll wear down on width. Usually they start out about 1.25 inches wide. When I'm doing inspections, I usually measure that belt. If they're getting down to 1.125 to an inch, you better be getting that replaced because otherwise it's going to you won't be able to get your speed up that you want. And if you put a belt on, you still can't get speed. It's probably, there's some stuff that'll wear out inside of this. You got to tear that all apart. And then I see if you can tear it apart or be calling this because there's a hub and washer and stuff that'll wear out in there. Otherwise, these pulleys tend to wear. If they get a real deep groove in them, right where the belt wears, you have to replace them 2 pulleys. They usually got a lot of hours on them when them's wore out. But the belt's a big thing. Just make sure it's up to full width. Okay, and then there is also a couple jam nuts that you can adjust here, or a lot of guys do. If your belt's wore out and you start adjusting them jam nuts up, you can get this arm so it's rubbing on that pulley and it'll cut big grooves in that arm. So you don't really want to adjust the jam nuts until you get a new belt and everything on there, and then you adjust them to get your full speed.